Hello. Let's learn some colors. Pink color, grey color, yellow color, green color, orange color, blue color, red color, purple color, black color, brown color. Let's learn ABC. A for apple, B for banana, C for cherry. A for apple. Apple. Red color. Brown color. Green color. B for banana. Banana. Yellow color. C for cherry. Cherry. Cherry pink color. Dark green color. Light green color. A for apple. B for banana. C for cherry. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.